Hey everybody, we're going to do another project at home today. I'm going to show you how to make a tripod, one of the ways to tie a tripod, and what we're going to make with it instead of making a teepee or structure that we can either cook over or sleep inside of and everything like that, because tripods are like really helpful and useful for like so many different kinds of things, from shelters to hanging things to to being able to like cook over a fire. But today we're actually gonna make something for Christmas, and we'll show you how we do how we're gonna do that and show you the end results. All right, so stay tuned.
Hello everybody, I'm Joe.
And that would make me Rich.
And welcome to Rich and Joe Bushcraft.
Alright, so the first part we're going to need is
paracord.
A little bit of paracord. I'm going to cut a piece around up to, from my fingertip to my elbow. It doesn't have to be exact. Could be like a couple feet or so. Because you can always cut off any ends if you have too much. So the next thing you're going to need is wood. I actually cut 5 pieces because the tripod itself is going to be 3. That's how they're tied together and everything. And normally, once for what we're making, you would end up having at least 6 poles to add the 3 extra to add more structure to it. But today we're just going to do the 3 for the tripod. That will show you how to tie that, and the 2 others will add structure to part of it. Hey Joe.
What's up?
Alright, so with your cord, just tie a little knot in it, so you loop it up, and that should hold up. Alright, we're getting there. So with all this wood, this is the 3 pieces to make the main tripod, but move the other ones for now. We're going to start with, well, you're going to have the thicker parts at the bottom and try to get them right around even. And at the top, that won't really matter for what we're doing. All right. Oh, what I did ahead of time on these, besides cutting, made sure there were no bugs in them, dried them up, because I used all sticks from like downed trees and things, and I also treated them with bug spray just to make sure I wasn't bringing anything in the house, because this is going in the house.
Because it's going to be
a bleep surprise. Now here's the loop. Joe's gonna take that and put that over these. Whoop, just put this back down and bring it down. Bring the loop down to right around here. Alright, yep. Alright, so Joseph is going to hold that loop right there, and then he's going to spread them apart, right? So so that the sticks are next to each other, not on top of each other, right?
Right.
And then you're going to take the middle stick from the bottom and you're going to flip it over. But it has to be in between the other 2 though. And start to flip it over. Yep, and then you can pull it away from the table if you need to, so you have more space to flip it around. But that's how you're going to tighten it. Okay? So take that middle one again and flip it around.
Oops.
It's okay. How's it doing? Still loose?
Yep.
Alright, so flip it around again. Because each time he flips it around, it's going to get it tighter and tighter. What do you think?
It's pretty good. How do I look under it?
So that's... You look great. I'm going to light a fire under you and we can cook you up.
No!
But that's it.
This
So,
is how you make a tripod.
Yep.
And if you want, you can make a teepee.
so guess what we're making?
Biscuits.
Oh, get off my face. Oh, goofy dog. Luna. Hi. Trying to show the handiwork. I like it.
Merry Christmas from Rich and Joe Bushcraft.
Yay, Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Whoop, and there's Gallifrey. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.